It is important to note that predicting the future of military capabilities can be challenging due to various factors such as evolving technologies, geopolitical changes, and defense budgets. However, based on current trends and developments, here is a list of 10 countries with notable future-focused military capabilities. United States. The United States remains a global leader in military technology and innovation. Its military has advanced capabilities in areas such as unmanned systems, cyber warfare, space-based operations, and precision strike capabilities. China. China has been rapidly modernizing its military and investing heavily in emerging technologies. It is focusing on areas such as hypersonic weapons, artificial intelligence, AI, unmanned systems, and space-based capabilities. Russia. Russia has been advancing its military capabilities, particularly in the areas of hypersonic weapons, electronic warfare, and advanced missile systems. It also possesses strong air defense systems and robust cyber capabilities. United Kingdom. The UK has been investing in future capabilities, including the development of advanced fighter aircraft, unmanned systems, cyber defense capabilities, and a modernized nuclear deterrent. France. France maintains a technologically advanced military, with a focus on areas such as advanced fighter aircraft, nuclear deterrence, cyber defense, and special forces capabilities. Israel. Israel is known for its innovative defense industry, with strengths in areas such as missile defense systems, unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, cybersecurity, and intelligence capabilities. India. India has been actively modernizing its military and investing in advanced technologies. It is focusing on areas such as ballistic missile defense, nuclear submarines, fighter aircraft, and space-based capabilities. South Korea. South Korea has a strong focus on defense technology and capabilities. It is investing in areas such as advanced missile defense systems, unmanned systems, cyber defense, and autonomous technologies. Japan. Japan has been enhancing its defense capabilities, particularly in response to regional security challenges. It is investing in areas such as advanced naval systems, missile defense, cyber defense, and surveillance capabilities. Germany. Germany is focusing on modernizing its military forces, including investments in advanced fighter aircraft, cyber defense capabilities, unmanned systems, and joint command and control systems. Please note that this list is not exhaustive, and other countries also have significant military capabilities and are actively investing in future-focused technologies. The rankings and priorities may change over time as new developments occur in the global security landscape.